Sir, we have had unexplained proton surges in our Delta unit. They cannot be verified on the subfrequency spectrum, but they appear on the valence detector when scanning the beryllium sphere. And we're hoping you would be able to advise us.
Huh. I see. That is a puzzler. What do you think?
Huh? That possibly the valence bonds have shifted bilaterally?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? Yes, I see. Yes, it means that the bonding molecules have become covalent.
So
the solution is to introduce a bonding substrate, a two-molecule compound sharing a free electron, and bombard their ion with the reflective isotopes.
he's got it.
Yeah.
Of course, it's so obvious.
Sergeant Chen, you're a genius.